Next show, 3:15.
Okay.
What's the time now? Beetlejuice.
We got all this shaded area here underneath the umbrellas. Oh, welcome to Rosen. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Full of sunny. Perfect. Very nice. Good. Gorgeous. Oh my god. Shoulder, ladies. Huh? So much shoulder.
Come in, baby balloons.
Oh, no, you said that. Alright, start the slow machine.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
We see them. They're coming out. Come on. This way. By the stream.
Got them. Bottom of the hill.
E.T. Road to dignity. Hurry.
Our planet. Come celebrate with us.
Oh, the smell. The smell, isn't it? Just broke down. It just broke down.
We don't matter if we run down the road, do we?
Goodbye, Nicky, Jason, Keenan, Ellie, Brand, Ray.
Cheers, buddy. Bye. Thank you very much. No worries. Have a good day. Cheers. Tell you what, though, what you have seen. There's a lot of the characters are out, aren't they?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's a really nice day. There's a lot of people about, isn't there?
Yeah, there's loads of them.
Weird for Monday as well.
Yeah. Well, it's obviously Thanksgiving holiday. So that wasn't the same one as our mum there. She went on.
No, it was more old-fashioned.
What, the other one?
Yeah, just with a pipe.
Yeah, I think they got rid of that because people were falling off.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it was literally a bike, wasn't it?
Yeah. God, she screamed.
Oh, see, there's another character there. Look.
morning. Getting a bit cooler now, that sun.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is nice.
That's where they were singing there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Or not?
Yeah, that's a proper diner as well, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. That's not, is that a real pharmacy, is it?
What's that?
That's a real pharmacy in there, is it?
No, I wouldn't imagine so. No, it's a restaurant. Oh, what's the time? Let's go and watch that Bourne Spectacular then. Yeah, we got 10 minutes, yeah? Go out there, Dad. Hang on. Which way? That way?
Express or no?
No. Can he stay in the chair though?
Yeah, what's your show? We're good talking. Yeah, get us the next person out.
Lovely.
Yeah, same thing, yeah.
Go on,
Make sure you get the next person out.
Woo. Two.
There's a wheelchair behind me.
Yeah. That's it. We're off for did 2 parks today. Mine ain't bad, really. Well, bits of one. The first one was just so busy, wasn't it? But yeah, that was a good day. That. Right, we're gonna end the day. Mega busy day at the parks, wasn't it? It was hottest day so far, and it was the first park, Islands of Adventure, Universal Island. It was absolutely stacked, wasn't it? As you could probably see from the video, it was really busy. The second one wasn't too bad because that's my favourite one. Is the second one.
Yeah.
Universal Hollywood, because you can actually walk round on the roads as well. There's loads of room. It's just easier. Did the E.T Ride. I always wanted to go on. I've never been on the E.T Ride, so I want to go on that. Very old school, isn't it? It wasn't it's not fast or anything like that. But
E.T. go home.
It was fun. And the second we went into the Jason Bourne, because we didn't go in there to do all the part. We just literally went in, do the E.T, and we're going to come back. But as we were walking back out, the Jason Bourne show was on. We went in and watched that, and it was brilliant.
It was really fantastic.
Really good.
Wasn't it? It really was.
It was good.
I recommend that to anybody.
Yeah.
It was really good.
It was really good. But overall, as I said, it was the hottest day so far. I must have touched 30 easily, if not a little bit more. But every time I've read in the past that when you go to Universal Studios, for whatever reason, it's always boiling hot in there. It's like if it's in a dip or something.
Yeah.
But no, it's a good day.
It was
good day.
hot.
So tomorrow, on the next video, we've got
Cape Canaveral.
Cape Canaveral, which is going to be getting picked up in the morning, going on a minibus, private minibus. So that should be fun. But apart from that, we'll see you on the next one.
It's gone off.
It's finished. Right, room 706 at the Crown. Oh, Crown. The Crown. The Rosen Plaza. So there we go, just a quick look. That's the room itself. But quick tour. Loo, obviously, shower, bath in there, which is nice to have a bath as well as a shower. Big wardrobe for all the fancy clobber. Ironing board, iron, extra pillows and the blankets, which is always handy. And then you've got a big mirror, which is nice. And then you've got another mirror there as well. Like another sink is just to shaving and brush your teeth and whatever you want to do. And they've got room for my dad's mobility scooter, which it shows you how big it is. It's not the biggest mobility scooter, but it's still a big room. Then the beds are all nice and made, not by us, by the maids. Big telly, as you can see, huge telly. We've got our little bits, our little snacks over here. We've got our Frosties, crisps and tea bags, waiting for our kettle to turn up. We bought a toaster out of Walmart, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Because you get so fed up with the breakfast, bacon every day, gets a bit monotonous, but as you can see, it's a big room. Good views as well. Out there somewhere. Good view.
Getting a bit dark now, though.
Getting dark. This is because this was taken about 6:15. Yeah, 6:15. So as you can see, it's a good sized room. It's not too bad at all.
And we've had the weather as well, haven't
Yeah.
we? We've had some nice
Yeah, we're not
weather.
chatting about the weather now, we're chatting about the room.
I'm just saying.
So you've got a cupboard, we've got a safe. So we've got a safe and a fridge down there for the water. The safe there, just there. Cupboards, drawers, big deep drawers. So there, yeah, overall. And the maids come in every day, which is really good.
Every day.
Every
yeah.
single day. Clean the room, make the beds. As you said, two big, what are they, king size?
I suppose they are, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got to be.
So the room's pretty good. But yeah, overall, I'd give it a good
I'd give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. To be fair, there's been no issues. But and the actual hotel itself has got, well, it's got 5 restaurants, hasn't it?
Cool.
It's really
just
good.
massive.
Yeah, really good.
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Yeah, all good.